Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Hairvivi. So I'm working with their long bob, and you guys already know their wig always comes pre-plucked, comes pre-bleached, and their lace is amazing. So today I actually decided to glue down the wig because I just felt like gluing it down. I could have done with a glueless install by using some hair mousse, but I said no, let me actually glue it down. You guys can see how melted this lace is. So, and the wig didn't even require me to do too much as well. So if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, I also have a mini unboxing towards the end. So if you want to see what I picked up, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll make sure to list all the links you need for the wig in the description box. So make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hi guys, okay, so I've got the wig on now, and this is what it looks like. It's just a long bob. I'm probably going to end up restyling the hair. It came pre-styled because it's slightly wavy, but so it's giving natural vibes right now, but I'm probably going to restyle the wig and just probably add some layers into the hair as well, just to give it a bit more volume, you know. So I'm going to apply some powder on the lace, you know, onto the lace, just to get it to match my skin tone better, because the lace is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and just apply this all over the hairline. You can see how that matches a lot better, but I'm now going to go in with my foundation brush just to make sure that, you know, this is definitely fully blended, basically. I don't think I've ever worked with any of Hairvivi wigs and not liked the wig. Like guys, just look at this hairline. Also, I'm going to apply my wax stick to the hairline. I think what I really like with Hairvivi is their hairline, and how they literally take their time in customizing how natural the hairline looks. Like, you can literally see the gradient. Like, it starts off very light at the front, and then it gradually goes into being dense. It's, you get what I mean? It's not like, hold on, because I need you guys to take this in. You can see it starts off really, really light, and then it goes in. That is so seamless. It's not like you have the natural and then you have the dense. It's literally like a gradual thing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and glue down the wig. just gonna go ahead and use my concealer and just run that through parting just to make it, you know, stand out. I'm done. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like once I'm done styling and installing the wig. This hair is giving grown. This was such a quick install, like, and I feel like this hairstyle is just, this is a classic. Like, I could cut some layers into the hair on the side, but I just can't be bothered. I just think this looks good, this is okay. I feel like when it comes to Hairvivi, the hair quality and the lace as well just makes you feel a bit, you know, I don't know, every time I install a wig from Hairvivi, it makes me feel like I have my shit together. Like, I'm not even joking, guys. It literally makes me feel like I'm that girl. Like, honestly, it does, because the lace is melted, the hairline, it looks amazing, the hair quality, amazing. So it's like, you know, it's giving grown, it's giving prestige, it's giving a baby girl living a soft life. And yeah, so whilst we're talking about luxury, I'm going to show you guys the 2 new items that I picked up. I got an LV bracelet and I got a YSL sunglasses. So this will be my first luxury jewelry and my first luxury, actually no, that's a lie, because I have a pair of Gucci sunglasses as well, but I just don't wear them. I'm going to show you guys what I got, okay? Listen, I said it at the start of the year. I said soft life only, and I wasn't joking when I said that. If I want something, I'm going to get it. Why? Because I work, okay? And I deserve to be spoiled. Like, I mean, it would be nice spending someone else's money, but whilst that's not possible, I got the Fendi sunglasses. I got the LV bracelet. So it comes in this bag, and you get a little, this is your receipt. And then it comes with the box. So when you open the box, you have a little pouch inside the box. This is not really an unboxing because I've already opened this. Like, so this is what the bracelet looks like. It's just a simple cuff, like it's just a very small bracelet. So to open this, I'm just gonna unclip it. You just press this side down and then it opens like this. So this is what that looks like, and it's very simple, but I feel like I can stack this with like the other bracelets and cuffs that I have, so you know, should be good. And this is definitely the first of many, so you know. So the next item I picked up is, listen, I've been obsessed with this item. Like, I've literally been wearing it ever since I got it. Like, I don't care, it makes me feel expensive, okay? This definitely makes me feel very expensive. I'm gonna insert clips of me wearing it. And so when you open it, it comes with your sunglasses inside, and it comes with this little pouch, and you can clip this onto your bag. So if you don't want to hold it, you can just clip this onto your bag like so. And then I'm gonna take it out, guys. When I tell you I'm in love, the thing is, yeah, I tend to stay away from sunglasses because I have a really small face, small head, so a lot of sunglasses don't suit my face. I could have ordered this online, but I said, you know what, let me go in and see what style would suit me best, because yeah. So it has the F on the side, on the other side as well. I like this because it's not too loud. I don't like design, I don't like anything that's like over the top or loud. I like how this is just there. It's very subtle, like, you know, it's not too much as well. Like, it's just there on the side. And then when you close your shades, you can see the little Fendi writing, the little Fendi logo on the side. Are you guys okay? Are you good? Because I am. Do you see how like it just changes your vibe? Like, even how you speak, even how I'm speaking, even how I'm carrying my hands, bro. Guy, listen, this life is for the living, okay? This life is for soft life only. I am not here to suffer, and I will not suffer, because listen, I'm not here to suffer. I'm here to enjoy my life. Soft life only, okay? I want something, I will get it. So you guys can see how it has the small F on the side. It's just very subtle, not too much, not doing too much. I like that, you know. Guys, I'm so silly, like, honestly, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing that I did at the end of the video. I didn't want to just do the same thing I do all the time by doing makeup or something, so I said let me do my hair and then I can show you guys what I picked up from Selfridges, and yes, I only picked up those 2 items. I really like this hair. The hair quality is everything, like it's just so silky. So I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below if you're interested in this wig. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.